Okay, so there's another way to set up this problem that we just did that might be a little bit easier to understand, or just a different way to think about it. So remember that the total momentum before the collision is equal to total momentum after, which is just saying before the collision, the momentum of car A plus the momentum of car B is equal to their momentums after they collide. So the momentum of car A after they collide plus the momentum of car B after they collide. That's what that little prime, the new one. And so you can just kind of put their momentums in this little equation. So momentum of car A, mass times velocity. Remember it was 1,000 and its velocity is 10 before the collision. So it's going to be 10,000. Momentum of car B, remember its mass was 2,000 and it was going -2, so 2,000 times its just mass times velocity. So 2,000 times -2 is -4,000. Now, after they collide, the momentum of car A has an unknown velocity, and that's what we're looking for. So mass times velocity, yet 1,000 times the unknown, which I'm just going to put a V here. You can put a question mark, you can put an X, whatever you want to put. I'm going to put V because I know that I'm solving for velocity. So 1,000 V. Now that's going to be equal to the momentum of, or that's going to plus the momentum of car B after the collision, which is its mass times its new velocity, which is 4. 2,000 times 4, 8,000. And so what you have here is you have just a math equation, algebra, to solve through. 10,000 plus -4,000 is 6,000. And then what do you do now? If you want to just solve for this V, this missing value. Well, you got to move everything over. Subtract -8,000. Do it to the other side, you'll get -2,000 here. And then what? Got to get rid of that. It's being multiplied by V, so you divide by it. Do it to the other side, and you'll get that the velocity is -2. So that's one way that you can do it through algebra. Like, you can think through it like we did here, or you can use momentum of car A plus momentum of car B. You know, total momentum before equals total momentum after.